It's time to unbox the 3DuxDesign GOBOX Classroom Kit. You should have received a box that looks like this. The first thing you find is a flyer, and along with a set of 8 Duxit rulers, which we will describe in a separate video. Some kits may come with an added accessories kit, like the Sustainable Energy Kit if you ordered that. Otherwise, the first thing you'll find is the actual GOBOX Classroom case filled with connectors. You'll notice on the top left corner, there's a QR code for access to all of the lesson plans. The next thing you'll see when you open the case is a set of challenges to get started with your projects, along with some basic sample craft materials. Your kit will have over 400 connectors, all organized by different shapes and angles. We have a variety. We have 6 different types of connectors, which you'll find, and they are color-coded. So you can either describe them by the angle with which they are, or you can describe them by color, depending on the age group and your students. On our website in the lessons, the Cookie Casa activity will help your students understand the different angles and use them in 3D modeling. Each GOBOX Classroom kit also comes with over 500 geometric cardboard shapes, all on individual sheets of cardboard. There are 4 different sheet designs, and you have 10 of each design for a total of 40 sheets of cardboard. Your students will have a great time popping out the cardboard pieces. The only thing that's important to note is to have your students place their hands on the individual shapes and try to peel the perimeter off. That way the cardboard won't get bent. It pops out quite easily and is actually quite fun for your students. For a typical class of 25 students, you have way more cardboard than you actually need, so don't feel like you need to pop out all the pieces at once. You'll notice a number of the shapes have these little tiny holes in them. They are perfect for straws, little metal brads, and other craft materials that are perfect for simple machines and moving parts, which we'll describe in a different tutorial. You'll also notice that a lot of the shapes have internal pieces. Those are meant for use as well. Keep in mind, you can also use any of your own recycled cardboard with the 3DuxDesign connectors for endless material and shapes to work with. Letting your students color, cut, decorate, and manipulate the cardboard only makes for a better project. For highly specialized characters and content, students can also cut out on paper particular designs and then use the connectors to attach to the cardboard. On the 3DuxDesign website, you can find a ton of great projects and resources. If you're new to 3DuxDesign, we always recommend you start with the basic design challenges to set you and your students up for success. You can also find more tutorials, tips, and tricks on the 3DuxDesign website, or reach out to us directly for any additional support.